In the wake of rising tension between India and Pakistan, the India is going to conduct its mock drill. And this is not just a step to conduct a drill. This is also a step and also a thing to give a right message throughout the border that enough is enough and India will not remain silent on terrorist attacks. Hello and welcome to the new series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about mock drill, and this session is important for your GS2 perspective. So we are going to discuss, first of all we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about the mock drill, the preparation, the significance of the mock drill, and then we are going to talk about the civil defense. So first of all we should know that what is the news. So on the 7th May, which is tomorrow, various parts of the India is going to witness the mock drill, especially the north and western India. So here we are going to discuss that what mock drill entails. So this is the news that India is going to witness mock drills in several parts of the country. So we'll talk about it. Before going to any kind of discussion, as you already know that Drishti IAS has offered IAS Foundation course, which is available in offline medium also and online medium also. So whatever suits you, you can choose, and for any kind of the query you can call us on 87501 87501. So this is our calling number, you can call us on. Now we are going to talk about that what does mock drill entail. So mock drill aim to test India's preparedness for any kind of disastrous situation, whether it is a natural disaster, whether it is a human made disaster, or whether in any kind of emergency situation, war kind of situation. So what are the key measures here? So it is going to activating air raid sirens, avoid nighttime detection, camouflaging vital installation like power plants, government buildings. So this is basically to alert civilians, to alert the military officials. So they are going to check the preparedness that in any kind of circumstances, if there is a war kind of situation and if there will be any kind of air strike, in that situation how civilians have to behave, how military personnel have to behave, how different volunteers have to behave. So this is a kind of preparation thing and rehearsal thing. And civilians and students will receive training in civil defense techniques such as duck and cover, first aid, and the drills will update and rehearse evacuation plan, test communication system, Indian Air Force, civil defense services, including firefighting and rescue operations. So they are not just going to prepare through one medium, they are also going to prepare through every medium, and with various means and measures they are trying to alert people that if there will be a siren kind of situation, then in that situation what you have to do, you have to lie down on the floor. If there will be any kind of emergency bell, then at that point of time you have to switch off the light of your home. So these kind of preparation, these kind of the warnings, these kind of rehearsals will happen in the mock drills. Now we are going to talk about the significance of the mock drill. So many experts have speculated and many experts have raised question over that why India is going to conduct mock drill, because this is witnessing, Indians are witnessing since 1971 when there was a Kargil war situation. In that time also India has not conducted mock drill. Then why India is going to conduct it now? Is it India escalating the matter, or why India is raising another kind of the issue that may give a wrong what you can say connotation in front of the world that India is provoking. But this besides all these speculation, besides all these what you can say discussion, we have another thing that if there will be any kind of emergency situation, then we need to be alert, we need to be warned. In that situation we need to conduct such things. Also by conducting such things, India is giving a strategic message throughout the border that if there will be any kind of situation, the country is ready. So in that situation India can also avoid war because India is telling to the world that we are ready for it. So it's better that you should not indulge into such kind of the things. So there can be various speculations, there can be various debates and discussion on it, but overall it's going to check about the people's awareness regarding the mock drill, people's contribution, that how much they are able to contribute. India is also going to check its military strength, and how volunteers are contributing, and NSS, NCC people, civilians, how they are behaving. So overall it will be a check kind of thing. Now we are going to discuss about the civil defense. So this is also a matter of civil defense. And why it is a matter of civil defense? Because here Civil Defense Act is there, and Civil Defense Act is applied when there is a situation of war kind of, and recently we had also added natural disaster to it, human made disaster to it. So here what we have to do, that how civil defense can be helpful in this kind of situation. So civil defense measures are designed to deal with the immediate emergency condition, protect the public and restore vital services facilities that have been destroyed and damaged by disaster, and these operate under Civil Defense Act 1968, which had amended in 2009 and 10, and they had added the disaster to it, disaster management to it, and this particular Civil Defense Act is applicable throughout the nation. Although it is a central law, section 4 of this particular Civil Defense Act empowers state government to raise their own corps at the local administration level as per their requirement. So district magistrate, district collector or deputy commissioner is designated as controller of the civil defense. So if we'll talk about that, what would be the importance of the civil defense? So the importance of civil defense shows that how we are involving people into any kind of the problem. It means that if the country is going through any kind of the problem, then how we can increase the people's participation, how we can make awareness, how we can spread the word. So this is basic theme of the civil defense, and how civilians can defend themselves and for others also. So this is about the civil defense, and in this scenario, if we'll talk about that, Civil Defense Act is applicable. So right now it is not applicable because there is no declared emergency, there is no declared war through Indian side. But if there will be situation like that, in that situation Civil Defense Act will be applicable, and whatever the government will give the guidelines, the civilians, the military personnel and everybody need to follow that. Now we are going to discuss about the practice question for prelims. Before discussing to the any practice question for prelim, what is the highlight of today's discussion? So we had discussed about the mock drill, we have discussed about the what you can say different kind of preparation, siren, that if there will be any what you can say war kind of situation, in that situation how people have to behave. And also it created a lot of debate that India is provoking another country, India is whether it's preparing or provoking. So these kind of debates are circulating throughout the mainstream media, but we need to focus on to our content, that what can be useful for our preparation. So mock drill is important, civil defense is important, and when was the last time India had conducted the mock drill. So these all points are very much important for your examination. Now we are going to discuss the practice question for prelims. The last time India undertook similar mock drills on a large scale was during which historical event? Kargil War, Indochina War 1962, Bangladesh Liberation War 1971, Operation Parakram 2001. This is very easy one, you can answer into the comment section, and I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you, have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.